Hi, this is the first of a series, don't know how many it's going to be until I finish them all, of in run-throughs for Let It Be, based on the chord sheet that we've got that I posted a while ago. This first one's going to be about the introduction, and we've got, in the whole song, we've got a C, a G, an A minor, an F, E minor, D minor, and a B flat. Now the introduction, there's a couple of ways you can play it. This is the way I like to play it, and it's as per the chords. And we would count it in 1, 2, 3, 4. When I find myself, okay, that's if you're feeling adventurous. But if we play it just block chords as they're written on the chord sheet, it would be something like this: 1, 2, 3, 4, C, G, A minor, right, so it's C, and then I slide into the G from 1 fret below. A minor. And when transitioning to the F, I just hit this note here. Actually, what I'm doing is put my little finger on the 3rd fret of the 2nd strings. So A minor, then into the F. Back to the C. To the G, and then it goes F, E minor, D minor, C. So that second bit would be now, instead of playing the F, E minor, D minor, C like this, you can play it up here. Right, so what I'm doing there, this is on the 5th fret. I'm only playing the middle 2 strings, and I've got the middle 2 strings fretted at the 5th fret. Now that is the F, because you can play an F like this, but only playing those 2 strings. Then we come down with our index finger on the 3rd fret and our 2nd finger on the 4th fret. That's the E minor. Slide the whole shape down 2 frets. So we've got our index finger on the 1st fret, our 2nd finger on the 2nd fret, and all this on the middle 2 strings. And then we can round off with a full C. Okay? Now, you can play the whole lot rather than just the, you can play it like that, because it sounds quite nice. That's the introduction, then it goes into the verse. When I find myself in times of trouble, that'll be in the next one, okay?